Okay, we're going to talk about how to convert different forms of equations of lines into standard form. Standard form is really convenient to use for lots of things, but the other forms are easier to use when graphing or getting the equation of a line, so we often have to convert to standard form. We're going to start with slope-intercept, and the first thing to do is to get rid of the fraction here with the slope. And so what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this whole equation by 3. Okay, so we're going to multiply every piece of it. So we'll get 3y equals 2x plus 18. It's pretty handy, no more denominator. So to get to standard form, we need all the variables on one side. So we'll say minus 2x plus 3y equals 18. Okay, notice the order. I put x first and then y, just how we do it. If you don't like to start with this negative, one of the things we can do is you can multiply this whole equation now by -1, which will give us 2x minus 3y equals 18. You don't have to do that, that's an option. So either this blue equation or this red equation, they're both in standard form and they're both great. The other example we're going to do is when we have point-slope form, and point-slope's a little bit more complicated. Again though, we're going to multiply by the denominator of the slope, and we're going to multiply everything. We're going to talk about that. So 4y plus 12, that part's easy. Now on this side over here, what we need to really think about is when we're multiplying by 4, we only have to multiply that 1/4 because it will then distribute to that x minus 7. So we'll get 1 x minus 7. And then we have to do a little bit more work. 4y plus 12. We need to distribute this 1. Quite straightforward in this case. And now we do need to get the x over here and the 12 over here. So we'll minus x from both sides. We'll minus 12 from both sides. At this point, you can do that all in one foul swoop. So here is what we're going to get. Okay, this is a great answer. If you don't like all those negatives, you can multiply like we did before, the whole thing by -1. So we'll end up with x minus 4y equals 19. Once again, this is a great answer. This is a great answer.